In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include automation in Monday.com. Automating tasks on Monday.com can streamline your workflow and save you a significant amount of time. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Monday.com by opening your web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're there, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen where you'll have a few options for signing in. To keep things simple, click on the Google option if you wish to use your Google account. Once selected, go ahead and choose the Google account you want to use, and voila, you'll be logged into your Monday.com workspace. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your board. This is where the magic happens. Your board is the central hub for your tasks and activities. Once you're on your desired board, locate the Automate feature, which is typically in the top right corner. Clicking here will open the Automation Center, presenting a range of automation options and templates to choose from. To create a new automation, click on Create Automation, which is also located in the top right section. This step is crucial as it allows you to build custom automations tailored to your specific needs. Once clicked, you'll see various options to set triggers and actions. Begin by clicking on When This Happens. This option lets you define the trigger event for your automation. It could be anything from a status change to a date-based trigger. Here, you'll set the parameter for your event. Consider this the if part of an if-then statement. This parameter essentially tells the automation when it should kick in. After defining this, move on to the next step by clicking on Then Do This. This is where you specify what action should take place once the conditions are met. Actions could include sending notifications, moving items to different boards, or updating task details. Once you have set both the trigger and the action, review your automation. Ensure that everything is in alignment with what you intend to achieve. When you're satisfied with your setup, click on Create Automation to finalize everything. This will activate the automation, and from this point onwards, it will run in the background, taking care of tasks automatically. Congratulations, you've now integrated automation into your Monday.com board. This not only helps in staying organized, but also optimizes your workflow, freeing up time to focus on more strategic tasks. Don't forget to revisit your automations periodically to refine and update them as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy automating.